want good luck for the next 5 years, then make sure you smash the like button right now. 50,000 likes. Thank you very much.
Yes guys, what is going on, and today we're going to be doing the woodwork challenge. So if you don't know what the woodwork challenge is, it's basically you've got to hit the crossbar, the left post and the right post. So let's get straight into the video. So guys, I am going to go for the right post. I'm going to be going for the right post. I'm going to be going for the left post, guys. I'm going to be going for the left post. The left post, guys. I'm going to be going for the left post. Yes guys, we hit the left post, so we've got 2 more remaining. So we've got the crossbar and the right post. I was going to say left post then, but we've got the right post. So I am going to be struggling to hit the right post, so I'm going to be going for the crossbar, because the crossbar is the easiest, I think. So yeah guys, I'm going to be going for the crossbar, so hopefully I should hit it first time like I did for the left post. Right, cool. For this one, guys, I'm going to be going for the right post, guys. Right post. I'm going to be going for the right post, guys. Right post. Guys, that hit. I heard it, guys. That hit. Just watch a replay, and it did hit the right post, just about. So we've got 1 more remaining, which is the crossbar. So this should be easy. It might be a bit tricky, but by the end, guys, we should be able to hit it. Right, cool. Guys, I'm gonna have to put power to it, guys. There's no other way, because if I put less power to it, then obviously it's just gonna hit the middle. So I'm gonna have to put power to it. Come on, guys. Yes, guys, we hit the crossbar first time. Come on, guys. Yes, guys, we hit the crossbar first time. Finally, we just done the woodwork challenge. So guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And guys, I'll catch you soon.
Okay, bye.